If you want to make money on YouTube, teach others how to make money. Yes, it's that simple. But you might ask, how do I teach others to make money when I don't even have money myself? Don't worry, I'll clarify this in simple terms. First, let me give you an example. Think back to the gold rush era. People discovered gold and rushed to mine it, hoping to become rich. But sadly, only a few people got lucky and made money, leaving many others poor. But do you know who else made millions like the successful miners? The traders, those selling the shovels, pickaxes, and other tools. Why? Because even though skill was needed to discover gold, it also needed a lot of luck. But those who sold the tools didn't need luck because everyone was coming to buy the tools. So we are going to be like those traders, and instead of selling tools to discover gold, we will be giving tools to make money online. Because we understand that contrary to what people think, making money online needs lot of luck, just like the miners we talked about earlier. I hope you get where I am driving at. If you are still not convinced, let me tell you about myself. Years ago, I watched so many online gurus and decided to take their advice. I started over 5 YouTube channels in the past, from tourism to movie recaps, YouTube shorts to affiliate marketing, just to name a few. They all failed miserably. Trust me, I know the pain. I'm speaking from experience. Regardless, I continued watching more videos of these so-called online gurus, following their every advice on how they built their so-called businesses and how they made so-and-so money in just a month or two. With newfound vigor and hope, I left YouTube to try out different things like drop servicing, selling digital products, print-on-demand, copywriting, and even crypto mining during the crypto craze era. And trust me when I tell you that I did not make a single dime. In fact, the number of things I've tried to do in order to make money online is over 14. Yes, you heard me right. I have tried over 14 different ways to make money in the span of 8 years, but to no avail. It's painful, and I know some of you have gone through what I'm talking about. I sat down recently reflecting on my life, the number of things I've tried and failed at, and the years I've wasted. That's when I realized I placed myself in the position of the miners instead of the traders. Remember what I said before, you need luck, especially when trying to make money online. There are a few people who make it, but millions more who do not. I don't care what anyone tells you, making money online generally involves a huge amount of luck. Remember, I am talking from experience. You can ignore my advice at your own cost. So back to what I was saying. I then decided to investigate. I went back and rewatched some of the videos from the online gurus I used to follow on YouTube. I was amazed at their view counts. I remember they had a decent number of views a few years ago, but now their numbers are enormous. Some of them grew from 0 subscribers to close to 1 million in less than 4 years. It then occurred to me that they were like the traders who didn't need luck because everyone came to them for tools. Except this time, it was in the form of views. And honestly, their videos are not that difficult to make. A simple Google search will give you more answers on how to make money online, and you can turn them into videos. Realizing how I have wasted time made me very sad, but I decided to change my today because today is all I have. And even though my laptop got damaged some months back, I made no excuses and managed to edit this video on a mobile phone. I am practicing what I preach by starting this channel, and from today, I will be teaching people how to make money online. So there you have it. Now you know what to do on YouTube. Just start teaching others how to make money online. If for some reason beyond me you still aren't convinced, then let me show you this. The finance niche pays between $10 to $20 per 1,000 views, making it the highest paying niche on YouTube. So imagine how much you can make if your content is good. If at this point you are still not convinced, then I do not know what else to say. To the best of my knowledge, there is no other YouTuber who has ever let this secret out there. And I have been selfless enough to expose this secret in my very first YouTube video. I mean, take a look at me. The advice I am giving you is exactly what I plan to do with this channel. But unlike other YouTubers, I have decided to go straight to the point and remove all the fluff to stand out. Oh, one more thing. I would like to remind you that there are over 51 million YouTube channels worldwide. So if you want to make sure you don't miss my next video on exposing secrets about how to make money online, then do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications.